Hi, Sally. Daddy's over there. We are getting ready to go on a little nature hike on this new place. Every time Patrick thinks of Texas, this is what he pictures. Dry desert cactus. What do you think, baby? What's wrong with her nose? She's got like...
Runny?
No, it's red.
Are you Rudolph the Red-Nosed Baby?
Okay, let's keep going. What do you think, Evelyn? Good. Do you want to ride? You can ride until the baby gets put in. Do you want to ride or you want to walk? Okay, get in. Put your feet up. Oh, what a big baby. Yeah. See the fishies? I just stuck my hand in spider web. Awesome.
Watch, we throw this rock down there, watch the fishes will think it's food, but... It's like...
Just kidding!
Bye, fishy.
We don't have any food this time to feed them. And next time maybe we'll bring a little bit of bread or something. What do you think?
Yes.
Yeah? Man, look at all that like nasty moss stuff over there.
Yeah, good place of fishes.
Icky. People swim in this water. It's so gross.
There's fishies in it?
Yeah, with fishies in it and other random bacteria and other gross stuff. Maybe I'm just being ridiculous, but I would never swim in that water. Gross.
Reshaped by deposits of sand and gravel. When river water moves rapidly, boulders, gravel, and sand are swept downstream and scour the riverbed and banks. When the water flow slows, the heavier sediment are dropped and gravel deposited.
Are you having fun?
Islands.
What about you, baby? Are you having a good time? Oh, you're so hot. Look at your face.
Oh no, you don't bring my bottle, Mom.
Yeah, I don't know how. Somehow we lost our bottle along the way. So hopefully we can find it when we go back here in a little while because we're at the end. We're at the end of the road. We got the fence blocked off so you can't go on the other side of the little bridge there. Yeah, that's like to get to condos and stuff, the apartments.
Yeah?
Yeah. Ready to go back? Let's get back in the shade. It's hot out here. Sue-wee. Cute little duckies.
You're carving them.
But don't get too close, you'll fall in the river. I'll have to jump in and save you from the nastiness. What do you think of the birdies? Do you like them? She doesn't know what to think.
Fishies?
Hey, you're too close. Back away. That looks solid, but it's just weeds. It's not really solid. You'll fall in. Hey.
Fish.
Come on, we want to get back so we can get the baby something to drink. You're thirsty, right?
Yes, I'm thirsty.
You're thirsty? Oh, are you thirsty too? You're a crazy driver. Ah! Can you do it? Got some crazy squirrels over here. They like walk right up to Evelyn and sit there and shake their little tails. One of them was like a foot away from her. So obviously they're used to people. Look, here's one right here. Oh, look how cute. Oh my goodness, they're so cute. Look at this squirrel. Look how close the dadgum thing's getting. Holy moly. Never have seen that before, ever. They absolutely have got to be used to people. Ugh. Try to turn this around. So Evelyn is too pooped to walk anymore. We're going up a hill and there's no shade. So it's really hot, but we're almost done. So we can go get her some water because we were not very smart this walk. I forgot to bring water and somehow I lost the baby's bottle. So first attempt at this trail was a fail. But it was nice. And now we're on our way to get something to drink. And as you can tell, I'm very out of shape because I'm winded from like a minute walking uphill. Isn't that awesome? Okay, good news is we found the baby's bottle. It was right at the beginning where we started. Bad news is it was covered in ants. So, I didn't want to give that bottle to her. So I just
make this thing go up?
Knock the ants off. And you have to stroller. Did you get it? You figured it out now? Anyway, I just knocked off the ants and put it in the trash because I didn't want to leave it there. That doesn't matter how either. I think I only got bit by one ant.
Really? You got bit?
Yeah. I don't want to just leave it there. It's littering. Enough people do that as it is. What? Well, it's still tacky just to leave it there. Gross. It's just one little ant bite.